Hello there. My name is Ken Brown, and I am your son or daughter's honors humanities teacher, more than likely if you are watching this video. I am really excited to be talking to you today. I'm sorry we can't be in person, but I would just like to tell you a little bit about the honors humanities class and also sort of what you can expect out of the class and what you can do to support your son or daughter. By the way, I've been teaching at Bellarmine. This is my 10th year, my 26th year of teaching overall. A lot of those years were at Gig Harbor High School and Peninsula High School, where I grew up. And I'm just thrilled to be here at Bellarmine. This is my 10th year. I'm just loving the honor of teaching here. Honors Humanities. This class is about a focus on the integration of humanities subjects. We put together a unit and we study history, we study geography, we study art, architecture, we study music, we read literature, we study current events. And then the kids are asked to sort of synthesize all of these, and we do this with a world cultures approach. So the first unit that we're on right now is Latin America. We then move on to China, and then we finish out our study with the Middle East. And this is a semester course. So we do all that in a semester. And for each of those three places in the world, we study all of those humanities subjects. And the students are asked to synthesize that, to put those ideas together and come up with an arguable thesis that they put in an on-demand essay exam at the end of each unit. It's a real great opportunity for the students to work on their critical thinking skills, their synthesis skills, and learn about the world in a real deep and meaningful way. I really have fun teaching this course. As far as homework goes, this course is a no homework honors class. That's how we sell it to students. That's how we sell it to parents. Your students are already busy taking, I'm sure, a lot of other difficult courses. Honors Humanities is an elective, and so because of that, we don't want to put in tons and tons of homework. So I have a no homework policy with a couple of exceptions. First, current events. The students present current events each day, but we rotate through the alphabet in each unit. So your student should be preparing then 3 current events over the course of the semester. 1 for Latin America, 1 for the Middle East, and 1 for China. I've got a calendar. It's posted on my Blackboard page that tells them exactly what day they're going to present, so it's all scheduled. They don't really need to work on that until maybe a day or two prior to their event presentation. The other exception is maybe studying for a quiz. We had a map quiz over Latin America last week. The kids put in some time studying for that, I'm sure. And then the essay exams that happen about 3 times a semester. The students will want to spend some time outside of class preparing for that. How you can support your child. I think the biggest thing for Honors Humanities is just to talk with them. Ask them what they're learning. Ask them about what we're discussing in class. We sort of get pretty deep in class about various ideas, and I like to probe their thinking, push them a little bit, play devil's advocate if I have to create some controversy. But I really think that the students do well if they process that stuff as well at the dinner table as much as possible. Also helping them follow global events. We do study the current events. Right now we're in Latin America, so anytime something comes up in the newspaper or you see it in a reputable source, just maybe invite your son or daughter to watch that or read that with you as far as current events. Again, we're in Latin America now. We'll be in China next and then the Middle East to end our study this semester. So how can you contact me with any questions or concerns you might have? I've got a couple of QR codes there that your student can help you if you're not familiar with QR codes, although with COVID and menus, we're all pretty much used to QR codes now. So just pause the video, snap some, put those in your camera and on your phone, and you should be taken to my syllabus and my Moodle page. I use Moodle pretty much for everything. The only exceptions are I do my grading in Blackboard. But I post the assignments, I post the homework, I post the reading schedule, all that is in Moodle. The current events calendar is in Blackboard, but everything else is in Moodle. So that's where you're going to go for that. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email address is there. You can always email me or contact me through your son or daughter. I'm happy to talk with you. Yeah, sorry we can't be there in person, folks. I'd love to meet you in person, and that's going to happen someday. But unfortunately, this is our world right now. So it's been nice talking to you, and I hope you're well. Thanks so much.